The east coast of Yorkshire in all its glory. But did you know of the secrets that lay beneath its waters? It's estimated that in Roman times the coastline of Holderness was 3.5 miles further east than it is now. Today, 22 villages are believed to lay hidden. Back in the 12th century, one of them was of national significance, Ravenser Odd.
Now you're going to need to use your imagination on this one, but just over my shoulder here, where the waves are breaking, that is where Ravenser Odd used to be. It was a bustling port, one that would rival Hull in size, one that supplied the king with ships and men in its fight against the Scots, and one that flourished until 1361, when it, like all the others, was swallowed by the sea.
Local historian Larry Malkin tells the story of its dramatic end.
The chapel was swept away with the churchyard, and the Muse monks tell us in their chronicles that the bodies were swept onto the beach and the bones were exposed, and they had to be collected up by hand and taken inland and were buried in the churchyards there, possibly at Easington and further north.
The same would happen some 450 years later at nearby Kilnsea. St Helen's Church fell over the cliff in 1831, but parts of it can still be found today.
This is the new church of Kilnsea, which was built in 1865. Above the porch is a stone which is obviously from the old church, and throughout the village of Kilnsea you can see walls and parts of building.
22 villages may have vanished from view, but if you're willing to look hard enough, evidence of their being still exists. Dotted along the coastline are clues to the hidden history of Holderness.